Easy to fit is important in this day and age because a lot of people that are in the industry haven't had the long track record and they don't have that breadth of experience that you get. So it's important that the products are easy to fit, and we offer training on pretty much every product that we sell. If you need training to fit sliding doors, bathroom hardware, balustrades, we have a field sales team that will come out to your premises, show you how to do it. I think the way we go about glass hardware and the ease with which you can fit our products definitely provide profitable diversification opportunities for home improvement companies. The truth is, if you can fit a sliding patio door, if you can fit a bifold, then you can fit a Juliet balcony, you can fit a balustrade, you can fit a sliding glass door, you can fit a telescopic glass door. All of our products are designed to be simple to fit.